Hey guys, welcome to Geography. I just wanted to make a quick recording, let you know, sorry I'm out today, but we should have a sub in the class. I'm just going to ask that you guys are super respectful and treat the sub kindly and with the dignity and respect that I know y'all can. Take a look as well at the seating chart that we got here. Take a quick look around, make sure that you are in your correct table group, matched up with the color. So I think I did move quite a few people around last week, so it should be a fairly new seating chart. So just make sure you're in your proper seat. Not much is changing in my plan for today. I don't think we're going to do kind of the more complex lesson that I had planned, so you do get the gift of time. But I do want you guys working in one of these two tracks for the day. And really, track one is just getting started on your global project. For those of you, I think it's just one or two of you that are new to the class, you'll want to really take a look at the project resource page, which I'll show you here in a minute, or I'll have it linked out right here. But you guys go ahead and make a copy of this planning doc. Your global project's going to be due at the end of next week, but your focus questions are due this Friday. So you make a copy of this brainstorm doc, and you're basically going to select a topic and write those higher level thinking questions for your topic. If you go to the project resource page here, this is where, if you're new to the class, please check out this presentation on what global projects are and the options that you can do for global projects. But down here, I have some sample topics for global projects that you could do. You are not limited to doing just these projects, so you're free to choose any topic of your own. So make sure you share back your planning doc with me. Use the project resource page to figure out what kind of project you're going to do, and then just start writing those questions. Remember, they need to be higher level thinking questions, which means that it shouldn't have a yes-no answer or something easily Googleable. It should be something that you need to conduct some solid research on. And you need 5 focus questions. And then once you are all done writing those questions and have a couple of web pages, you'll start exploring, start researching your focus questions. A good rule of thumb is you want about a paragraph of information for each of your focus questions on your global project. New to this unit, I do have a pre-packaged set of focus questions. You can click there. If you are just pick something for me, Mr. James. You can kind of negate these steps. I still want to keep it pretty open, though, so that you can research what you want to research. Track 2 is working on notes for this week. So we're currently on lesson 22. You can continue those note-taking processes. I have note guides right here. If you want to copy over some note guides, some vocab, that's all in there. A couple of you guys are missing some notes and quizzes from the previous weeks, so please use this gift of time of getting caught up on what you need to do, because next week we will have a notebook check as well as a pretty solid work session check-in time on your global projects. Finally, at the end of the hour, I'll have the sub try to remind you as well, but please complete this short Google form to just kind of let me know what you got done and what you need for the rest of the week. Sorry I can't be there, guys, but again, please make good use of your time, be respectful, and be on track. You guys rock. Thank you.